What if I told you that you don't need thousands of dollars to start investing?
Many people believe investing is only for the rich. Time is more valuable than money.
Build a small emergency fund first.
Choose the right investment account. You can buy fractional shares with just $100. Don't try to pick the next big stock. Index funds spread your money across many companies. Successful investors invest regularly. The stock market goes up and down. Building wealth takes years, not days. Reinvest your earnings. Knowledge is one of the best investments you can make.
Small investments today can create a better tomorrow.
Like, subscribe, and tell us, what would you invest your first $100 in?